Welcome to Tea Time Fitness with Janice. Hi, I'm Janice Thornton with JT Fitness and Golf. This exercise is the clock drill. And in our golf swing, we want to make sure that we have an effective internal hip rotation. And think about it, in our golf swing, if we're doing it properly, on our takeaway, we are internally rotating on that trail leg. When we do our follow through, we are doing another internal rotation on the lead leg. So this clock drill is a very effective way to isolate the hip area. Now remember, this is actually an internal hip rotation exercise. We aren't necessarily trying to add extra rotation from the upper body. So to do the clock drill, we have a flat swing plane with the True Turn Pro. And I'm going to have my right foot stay square forward. Now I'm going to picture that I have a clock on the floor. I'm going to move my left foot in small steps, just gently around my right foot. Now I stop when I feel like my right foot is going to actually torque and rotate and move on its own. So I could actually add more rotation in with this, but again, this is a internal hip rotation drill, not a thoracic spine drill. So I'm going to stop here because I feel like this is as far as I can go, lift my left foot, and just coil back. And then you want to, of course, make sure you do the opposite side. So I'm going to rotate on this other side, and I can tell I don't have quite as much internal hip rotation on the left, and then let go and come back to center. But again, this clock drill is a great drill that you can do to really help promote internal hip rotation. So for more golf fitness exercises, go to jtfitnessandgolf.com and make sure you grab your free golf ebook as well.